Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2014 Chevy Impala. Stock number is A6821. Starting right away up front, you have a chrome grille. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Taking a look at the tread on the tires. And then we're going to take a look inside. You have a combination of leather and cloth interior. Makes for a very comfortable ride. One more look down the passenger side. Then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors here on the back. Taking a look in the trunk. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats. So you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We are Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Dual climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Impala on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report that is provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more at holidayautomotive.com.